Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate Fingerprint on Samsung M35 device. Well, activating fingerprint authentication on a device offers a secure, convenient, and efficient way to protect sensitive information, enhance privacy, and streamline the user experience. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, firstly, open settings on your device. Okay, and you have to make sure that you have set a screen lock before, whether it is a pattern, pin, or password. Okay, next, here you can scroll down and select the security and privacy menu. And then tap on biometric options here. So, select fingerprint menu and enter your screen lock. Okay, so now click continue and click register option. Okay, after that, press your finger inside the circle, lift it when the circle is fully highlighted, and then press again. Okay, after finishing, click done option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to activate fingerprint on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.